Hi, I'm Amanda Gross, and this is a video on Sprite Mover for GPE 104. I did try to take one video earlier, but I realized I did not have my checkoff sheets, so I'm going to do it again this time with the actual checkoff sheet. First, I'll demonstrate the game that I made. Okay, so if I go into my first project, this is through Unity, and I'm going to go into the actual game first, and then I'll go into Unity and take a look at the actual code. Okay, this is the sprite, so this is the import display on the checkoff sheet, and I'll show it in the Unity program as well. So this is my sprite to start with. She can go in every direction. She can go right, left, up, and down. So that's the movement keys to display what she does. We had a function where if you put P, I'm guessing P is supposed to be like pause. So if I press P and now I'm trying to move her, and you can probably hear the keys trying to move her, but she won't move as soon as you press P. So here we go. I'll put her back in, and I press P again, so now she can move again. Q is supposed to make it so that she goes away completely, like breaking the game. So if I press Q, she's gone, and no matter what button I press, she won't get back. So, if I not go back out of it, and I'm going to go back in again, the same way on the actual game. Sorry, it takes a minute for it to load. Okay, so she's back, and it's back to being able to function. And if you press escape, it should leave and go back to a screen where you can play again. So here we go. I pressed escape, and I'm back in this section. Okay, so I'll take a look at the actual Unity. So here she is in Unity. So this should definitely count for the sprite because I'm importing and displaying the sprite. She's right there on the screen. And then if I take a look at the actual code, you can see, okay, let me see, because I need to go down this checklist. I definitely have the get key down buttons, get key function buttons. So for all of her movements and things, right here, input, get key, right arrow, left arrow, up arrow, down arrow, are all the ways that she can move across the board. Let me see. Direct movement by setting position, so she always goes back to the original setting position in the center of the screen. And then this is the additive movement where she can move around. Speed public, I have that right here on public float speed. She just goes really fast right now, but I imagine later I'm supposed to slow her down in this program. The behavior enable and disable, that's the class that's here in the inheritance. And that's when, let me go back to here. Let me see. If I play it. I'm going to play it inside the Unity for a second. And then I think that it's either the P or the Q button, and the box won't be checked. So if I press the P here, no, it's not the P button. It must be the Q button. But that's the function with either the Q or the escape. And that you can toggle it back on over here in this section. Okay, so Q, she's escaped completely. All right, and I'll stop playing her again, and then she's back. Okay, let me see. So I'm not very good at videos sometimes. Okay, This is added in by Unity program itself. It's always there, I think, whenever you pop in to the new program. There's a transform TF to pick up the movement and everything. My game object is a bad fairy. I created this boolean. You kind of have to have it so that your functions will work correctly for the down here when you do the P, and that you disable according to P, so to make it true and false for the P to pause the game, and for the Q to basically break the game. And then that's the set active thing too, which is in the checklist as well. Okay, let me see. Oh, the mono behavior enable and disable. So that is done with the Q, the escape, the P button. Let's see. Game object set active. The game object is the bad fairy. So public game object bad fairy, and it's a public thing so that the user can see it. Let's see, application quit. Yes, we have that. It does run, so it's probably bug and error free. I'm making comments right now. I don't know if that counts as making comments or not. I guess I'll find out after this one. Let's see, and project organization. I have it all located in this folder, and my first project UAT is where all my stuff is held right now. And then I don't know about exceeding requirements. So I think I have everything on the checklist. And in here, she runs the exact same way. My sprite, my bad fairy runs the exact same way as she does when actually playing the game. So I think that is all I need. If not, I will do yet another video. Thank you for your time. I'll go ahead and stop my video.